Subnets are the building blocks of Bittensor. Every service on the network runs inside a subnet. Think of Bittensor as a company with 128 divisions. Each division has its own team, its own product, its own revenue, and its own performance metrics. Except these are not divisions inside a company. They are independent, permissionless networks that anyone can create, join, or invest in. Each subnet is designed around a specific task. Most are AI-focused, but the architecture is flexible. Subnet 3, called Templar, trains large language models. Subnet 64, called Shoots, provides serverless AI compute. Subnet 62, called Ridges, run the competition to build the best coding agent. But Subnet 44, Score, does sports analytics. Subnet 46, Resi, collects real estate data. Subnet 38, Coliseum, runs a decentralized betting protocol. The range is enormous. If you can define the work and measure quality, you can build a subnet for it. Here is how a subnet works internally. Every subnet has miners and validators. Miners do the work. That could mean running AI models, collecting data, providing compute, or any task the subnet defines. Validators evaluate the miner's outputs, scoring them on quality, speed, and accuracy. The higher a miner scores, the more tau emissions they receive. This creates a continuous competition where miners are constantly trying to outperform each other. There are exactly 128 subnet slots on the network. All of them are currently filled. If someone wants to launch a new subnet, they have to pay a registration cost in tau, and the lowest performing existing subnet gets deregistered to make room. This is Bittensor's version of natural selection. Subnets that build useful products and attract capital survive. Subnets that do not get replaced. Each subnet also has its own alpha token. When investors buy a subnet's alpha, they are betting on that subnet's value and driving more emissions towards it. This is the dTAO mechanism, which we cover in a separate video. The result is a self-organizing ecosystem where the market continuously allocates resources to the most valuable work. No central committee decides which subnets matter. The capital does.